Hi, thank you for buying one of our lasers to do your repairs. Okay, so basically this part here is a 1252, which is the what we call the Mark 1s, Mark 2s. This will also be for the VAU 1255, which is the Bang & Olufsen part. Okay, so basically how we're going to remove this laser today is we're just going to gently, I'm using a pair of tweezers, and you've got to do this very, very gently, because if you don't, you will break the spindle part off. So basically, all I'm doing here is, if you can look, I'm just getting that underneath, and all I'm going to do is gently, very gently, pull that up like that, and then we remove that. So basically, that stops you from breaking that part there, because if you break that part there, you're going to need a whole new part, because you ain't going to be able to repair it. Then what we do is we push the laser up gently to there, and we hold that bar, and you can see a little tag in there. Now that little tag needs to go towards your fingers, and push it off just gently like that, and that's it. That's all you've got to do. And the way that I like to do this personally, and I find it easier, is just lift this up like this, so you get the little bar out like that, remove the little end rubber, and then you just pull the laser up here like that, and you just very gently pull him up like that, and there's your laser. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to reverse what we've actually just done now. So we're going to put a laser back on, and we're going to do it like this. So basically I'll pull the bar up very gently, line it up with the holes of the laser there, and we're going to push that on there, if I can see my eyeballs in there. Right, push that on there like that, and just gently just push down under there like that. So these clips here, they're not clips, they're like little runners, they go on little runners, and that little silver part there, see that little part, that's like a springy part, that's got to be under there like that, and all you do is push that back in like that, and you've got free rein on that laser again. So what we do now is we're doing exactly in reverse. So we're going to put this little part on here, and we're going to push that on there gently, and we're going to put that on there. And what we're going to do here with this is the little bit, just make sure you're going to put it in the right way as you take it out. Okay, so basically the right way would be on the back of this, you've got like a little bit of a indent, if you can see that. Now that part goes towards the bar. Okay, so we're going to put that on there like that. Okay, you need to do this very gently again, as not to break the little part off. Okay, so we're going to push that in there like that. Just line it up so it's leaning this side, if that makes sense. You can see that there. And all we're going to do now is we're just going to gently click it in like that, and you can literally hear the click. I'll do it again just to make sure that you can understand what I'm doing. So basically that little plastic part, that rubber part, needs to go right to the base there, okay, because it would stop your laser from working right to the end. So we're going to place that on the end like that. We're going to get it in the first little indent there, and all we're going to do is we're going to push it in like that, and that's it. That is literally it like that. Okay, now I'm just going to double check that. Yep, that's all in there fine. So now we've got a free rein on the laser, and it will go up and down. Now here's a little tricky part. So basically now what you need to do is get this cog back on. Alright, so this is a little bit tricky. Now I can use a needle. So what I'm going to do here is you need to put that little runner, okay, so just grab another laser. Okay, so what we're looking at now, you've got a little runner, and that's like on a pivot. Can you see that? So what we want to do is we want to get that little needle in there. Just pull that like that. Okay, so we're going to do that. And the thing is with these 1252s, these are so easy to do. And the reason being, there's a little hole right there. See that? So all you do with that little hole is push that little laser back, that little rod back, click, and you hear it clicking in, and then we're just going to check to make sure that we got free movement, because obviously if you haven't got free movement it's not going to work. So another thing we're going to check, just to make sure, is that rubber is up in their position. Okay, so that's right up, so that won't affect your movement at all. And we're just going to run this up a little bit, and we're also going to check this one here to make sure that this is all flush and posh, so the laser can go all the way down and it can run all the way up the top. A little technical advice here. Okay, I don't recommend that you're actually doing what I'm doing here, because you could break your part, but well, we'll just do it. It's easier to do it like, so I don't want to break my own part. So we're going to run this up. Now what we're looking for here is, you've got a little micro switch. So the micro switch, so when that runs up, that micro switch tells that motor to run off, to shut off. So we're going to run that up like that, and we're just going to go to the top. We're just going to check that our micro switch is touching, and that's perfect. So the micro switch is on. That means this little motor, which takes everything up and down, is off in that current position, and until it actually starts running down with the CD Mech, it'll stay off. So I hope this has helped you with your guidelines and your repair, and I'm always available to take calls. I can do video calls, you know, no extra cost to you. If you get stuck, I'm more than happy to help. We always help people, something that I actually enjoy doing. So any questions, please feel free to email me or give me a call, and my number's pretty much all over the internet, so you can find me. So thank you ever so much, and I do appreciate your business.